welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am just unboxing these large and beautiful candelabras that I got from Amazon, but they are made by Mart. So I am going to put them together. I already put one together so far, but already I have a piece that is damaged. So now I gotta figure out, do I send the whole thing back for one little piece? And I'm about to show you that the piece that's broken. So I just have like this one piece that's broken, and I was thinking about like E6000, using E6000, but you will still see the crack. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I contact Amazon and I sent the message to them about it, but I might just go ahead and just use E6000 and put it back together. And I'm gonna show you the one that I do have done, because these tubes go over it. So this is definitely perfect for a wedding. Definitely a wedding, because it's very high end. It costs like right at $200 per centerpiece. So let me just take the camera and let you see it. So here it is, this tall, beautiful crystal candelabra. I end up getting crystal because I felt like it would work with any event, or like it wouldn't matter the colors. So that's why I went with this. So I was unable to put one of them on because of the piece being broke. And then it is made of glass, so had I known that it was made of glass, I wanted it to just be like a plastic crystal. So you have to be very careful with handling it. I'm already trying to think about how to transport this or store it to use it for an event. Let me show you the box. Now here's the problem. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to utilize this box in order to transport it. Like, I don't mind having it set up at my home, but the styrofoam is like basically like it falls apart. This box wasn't that bad, but the other box was really, really bad, and that's why I have my vacuum right here sucking it up. But because it's made of glass, I'm definitely going to have to find a way to safely transport it to a venue. So I really, really love these candelabras. They are just so beautiful, and they're tall and elegant. And the only thing is the one broken piece. So hopefully they could just send me that one little part and I won't have to send the whole centerpiece back. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time.